Hello and welcome to Mindful AI Money Hacks. Imagine this. You put a video on YouTube. Lots of videos go up on YouTube all the time. But then, something amazing happens to your video. Loads of people start watching it. Thousands, then millions. What's even cooler? Your video doesn't have fancy effects or someone famous in it, but it makes more money than the typical house in the United States, which costs around $200,000. Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's not just luck. Today, I'm going to share the secrets behind a YouTube video that did exactly that. Meet Magnates Media, a business documentary channel that engineered a viral sensation, mastered YouTube's algorithms, and raked in a substantial sum from a single video. This channel, within the business niche, earns a significant CPM, ranging from $30 to $40 per 1,000 views. And here's the kicker. Their 33-minute video with multiple ads garnered 5.7 million views, accumulating almost $175,000 in AdSense revenue alone. But that's not the whole picture. The video's paid promotion label signifies a sponsor, like Coca-Cola, paying tens of thousands, if not more, for exposure to millions of viewers. In total, this one video likely made over $200,000, a staggering achievement. Now, let's delve into replicating this success. Starting a channel in the business niche and swift monetization is key. Delaying monetization can cost you potential AdSense revenue in case a video goes viral before your channel's monetized. Crafting engaging scripts is paramount. Outsourcing to skilled scriptwriters on platforms like Fiverr yields high-converting content, boosting retention and views. Tools like ChatGPT can aid in identifying viral topics for your content. Voiceovers matter. Utilize your voice, hire freelancers from platforms like Fiverr, or employ text-to-speech options from sites like 11 Labs based on your budget and preference. The crux lies in video editing. You can either learn through tutorials or, more efficiently, outsource to experienced editors, like those on Fiverr who specialize in creating captivating content akin to Magnates Media. Successful YouTubers, like Matt Parr, manage multiple channels using this outsourced model. They focus on uploading content while all other elements, scripts, voiceovers, editing, are handled by freelancers. Matt Parr shares his tactics in a free course, teaching how to manage multiple YouTube channels without active involvement, maximizing earnings through advanced techniques. Engagement matters. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Responding to comments, gauging audience interests, and adapting content accordingly are vital for sustained success. If you found this valuable, hit like and subscribe. Comment if you desire more insights into online money-making methods. Aim for 100,000 likes, and I'll share how AI helped me to make AI news channel. Stay tuned for more secrets in the next video.